Hi everyone. আজি আমি ক্লাস 10 ইকোনমিক্সৰ চ্যাপ্টাৰ 2 সেকেন্ড ভিডিওটো লৈকে আহিছো আৰু লাষ্ট ভিডিওটোত মোৰ এটা কমেন্ট আহিছিলে যে কোয়ান্টিটেটিভ কনসেপ্ট আৰু কোয়ালিটেটিভ কনসেপ্টৰ মাজত ডিফাৰেন্সটো কি সো এটো বহুত সিম্পল হয় সো আজিটো কোয়ান্টিটেটিভ কনসেপ্ট হয় ন হেতু হৰে কোয়ান্টিটিটো চাই মানে এখন কান্ট্ৰিৰ প্ৰডাকশন ডিস্ট্ৰিবিউশন কনজাম্পশন এইবোৰ প্ৰসেসেস যে হয় তাৰে কি কৰে তাৰে যিবোৰ গ্ৰোথ হয় আউটপুটত ইনপুটত যিবোৰ গ্ৰোথ হয় বা ইবাৰ কিমান প্ৰডাকশন হল ইবাৰ কিমান হোৱা নাই হেবোৰৰ ওপৰত নজৰ ৰাখে the quantitative concept of economics hai aru jitu qualitative hoy no qualitative to basically hoy tumar economic ekhon country economically kiman development hoise socially kiman changes aise hebur kiman significant hoy ebor bostu pore heitue hoise tumar quantitative and qualitative for difference buji paisa so the word itself says quantitative mane je quantity sai ekhon sector ba ekhon industry production last year ot keibar kiman bahise ba kiman komile kyo komile eibur changes pore amar quantitative concept e aru qualitative e pore je economically socially ekhon country kiman development hol aru hey development to kiman besi significant hoy hetu so etia amar topic to hoise human development you know amar human development janai no je ekhon country ki hoy ekhon country tite he develop hobo jetia tare manukhiri develop hobo jetia ami human resource mane when you are educated and you serve the country then you are a human resource so human development or ekhon report ulaisile in the year 1990 okay aru etu publish kone kore United Nations Development Program so this is basically a human development report that was first published in the year 1990 aru tat koa hoisile je amar human development or keitaman indicator thake human development or basically tinita thake indicators eta hol life expectancy literacy and standard of living basically accessibility to pure drinking water and sanitization it is what life expectancy mane hoise ki is a number of years that a child is expected to live at the time of his birth matlab eta bachcha jetia jonmo hoy jetia estimation lugwa hoy je this child will live for this many years by ekhon country manubur average kiman boyholoki jiai thake no hetu hoise amar life expectancy okay aru level of literacy to hoise ki amar yate kiman manu hikhito hoy kiman percent manu hikhito hoy buji paisa that is the adult literacy and the gross enrollment ratio of primary and secondary education and other branches so that ratio to hoise amar level of literacy so now we have to know that how are these different like you know economic growth or human development keneke beleg right so bohuta no eto bostu bhabile je these are nothing different they are quite same but this is not the thing it is totally different okay they are interdependent on each other but they are different so economic growth represents only one choice the level of income but the concept of human development covers economic social cultural and political choices of the people so economy bole jetia ko no economy itself relates with money so economic development of a person it means that his level of income is increasing like he is economically self dependent right so jetia ami ko human development or kotha hetu hoise ki ejon manu politically socially culturally economically kiman besi self dependent hoy ba tor society logot relations kenikwa buji paisa is he a rational consumer is he a rational human being like tor decisions bur nije lo pare tor economy khonot tor kiba contribution ase niki tor society khonot kiba contribution ase niki tor ejon politically conscious voter hoy niki so hebur sob no human development to include kora hoy to human development or scope to olop besi so this is the basically the difference between economic growth and human development they are different but they are interrelated to cooperate but economic growth is kind of you know a part of human development okay a part of human development but the scope of human development is far more wider than economic growth of a person please keep that in mind okay don't get confused so etia ami economic planning start korim ha but economic planning start korar agote ma olop information di loisu je the human development report 2010 has introduced three new concepts of human development to ami prothomote porilu ki je 1990 ki hoisile amar human development report eta ulaisile and that was the first of its kind and that koa hoisile je life expectancy literacy and standard of living are the three indicators of human development বাট ইয়াতে কি কোৱা হৈছে তিনিটা নতুন কনসেপ্ট 2010ত ইন্ট্ৰোডিউস কৰা হৈছে হেকেটা হৈছে কি এটা ইনইকুৱালিটি এডজাস্টেড হিউম্যান ডেভেলপমেন্ট ইনডেক্স আৰু হিউম্যান ডেভেলপমেন্ট ইনডেক্স বুলি যেতিয়া কওঁ ইট ইজ বেসিক্যালি আ কম্বাইন্ড স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স ওকে কম্বাইন এটা স্ট্যাটিস্টিক্স হয় এটা ক্যালকুলেশন হয় দ্যাট ইজ বেসড ফ্রম দ্য থ্রি past indices that is life expectancy education and per capita income যেটো আমি আগতে পঢ়িলো সো আৰু কি আছে জেন্ডাৰ ইনইকুৱালিটি ইনডেক্স আছে হয় জেন্ডাৰ ইনইকুৱালিটি ধৰা আমি ক্যালকুলেশন কৰো ন যে ইন দিস প্লেস out of 1000 men there are 800 women so this kind of calculations and then multidimensional poverty index হয় না এখন country different states of poverty state to কেনেকুৱা বা as a country বা countryখন as a whole তেওঁলোকৰ poverty index to কেনেকুৱা এখন particular state or কেনেকুৱা হয় হেবোৰ পঢ়াটোৱে হৈছে কি এটা মানে ইয়াতে কোৱা হৈছে কি যে these are the three concepts of human development like according to the 2010 report but yes this keeps being updated because কিয় হয় কাৰণ আমাৰ country changes বোৰ বহুত dynamic হয় ন country এখন হদে একে না থাকে since India is a developing country তো আমাৰ concepts বোৰ change হৈ থাকে so in this way human development reports like they keep changing the concepts according to the needs of the countries so this is the end of our topic human development so let's start the economic planning we were studying about economic planning so economic planning is an instrument to attain a set of well-defined objectives within a definite time period as determined by a central planning agency it is why যেকোনো এখন country no এটা economic planning structure থাকে I mean that এখন country এটা central like আমি জানো না আমাৰ central government আছে তো central governmentor কি হয় এটা agency থাকে যেটো agency কি কৰে এখন country economic development ওপৰত চকু ৰাখে আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে কি কৰে কিছুমান objectives বনাই যে এখন country economic development এনেকুৱা হ'ব লাগে ইখিনি সময়ত এনেকুৱা development এখন countryক লাগে because কি হয় last year আমাৰ এনেকুৱা reduction হৈছে taxes reduction হৈছে এবাৰ কি হ'ব এনেকুৱা হ'ব मतलब like they keep changing their policies right because obviously এখন country মই আগতে কলো changes বোৰ কি হয় dynamic হয় so according to that time we have to change our policies তো হেবোৰ কোনে কৰে এখন সেন্ট্রাল প্ল্যানিং এজেন্সি কৰে যেটো আমি নেক্সট টপিকত পঢ়িম সো ইকোনমিক প্ল্যানিং বেসিক্যালি কি হয় টাইম পিৰিয়ডৰ কাৰণে কৰা হয় আৰু সেই টাইম পিৰিয়ডটো ইন্ডিয়াত 5 ইয়াৰ্ছৰ কাৰণে হয় ওকে সো ইন জেনাৰেল the main objectives of planning in India are to raise the rate of growth of the economy to remove socio-economic inequalities to remove poverty to expand employment opportunities to remove regional inequalities to ensure sustainable economic development without causing damage to the environment and so on so swa India's main problem to ki hoy amar economic growth to kom hoy he karone ki hoy ami iteleke developed country status to poa nai jodio bahut country claim kore je India is a developed country but we can't say that we are developed yes so আমাৰ মেইন এম to কি হয় to increase the rate of growth of the economy আমাৰ economic growth rate to আমি কি কৰিব লাগিব increase কৰিব লাগিব in the next years that is the objective first one secondly to remove the socio-economic inequalities মানে হল যে এখন society হয় নাই বহুত মানুহ থাকে some are rich some are poor some are very poor right কিছুমানৰ থাকিবকে খৰ না থাকে তো কি হয় to remove these socio-economic inequalities to ensure that every person gains equitable access to all the resources that is the second objective thirdly to remove poverty hoy amar India poverty rate bahut beshi hoy so hetu karone ki hoy poverty remove kora to amar ta objective hoy to expand employment opportunities so India etu eta main problem hoy amar India amar jodi ami ko amar fundamental problems ki ba basic problems ki economic honor tete ami ki kom obviously poverty and unemployment so unemployment karone amar poverty hoy na because manu bilakor hatot sakori nai nijor kam nai hetu karone tamlok dukhia hoy jay and ultimately it leads to poverty so definitely amar ki hoy amar the aim hoy to expand the employment opportunities for the people so that they can live a dignified life right আৰু এটা কি হয় to remove regional inequalities মানে different regionত কি হয় ধৰা country এখনৰ different states or different জাগাত কি হয় inequality বহুত থাকে that may be for different reasons, like for income, or maybe for the color of the skin, maybe for your height, maybe for your weight, doesn't matter, right? Inequalities they could form hobo pare, but in economics we will only talk about the economic inequality, right? Jodi ami inequalities kotha kole bahut dimensions ahi jay, right? People are abused because of their skin color, because of their weight, because of their income, and etc etc. But in economics we talk about the economic inequality. And to ensure sustainable economic development without causing damage to the environment. Ami jano na sustainable development mane ki sustainable economic development ro kotha koise je ami enake mane amar environment we hok ba amar economic resources pur enake use korim jate ki hoy amar future generations bilakio pisoleke ebur use koribo pare hoy hetu hoise amar sustainable economic development. So yare last goal to hol ki to ensure sustainable economic development without causing damage to the environment, and so on. It is why eketa hol tumalogor basic jiketa objective. Sometimes it comes for 2 marks, I guess. 2 markor karone keteba ahi jabo pare, so please keep in mind, okay? So right from the first 5-year plan down to the 12th 5-year plan, the Planning Commission of India formulated the objectives. Iti ami agote je porilu no Central Planning Agency, hetuye hoise amar Planning Commission of India. But now Planning Commission of India has been replaced by another agency. Moi bhalke porham. So agote ki asile eta Planning Commission of India asile aru hei Planning Commission of India ki korisile 5-year plans banaisile. So currently amar itia bortoman 13th 5-year plan soli ase, but since my book is of like 2017th edition, so I think more update one more teneke ase. So first 5-year plan hoisile amar 1951 in the year 1951 in the month of April, okay? So titi amar first 5-year plan to hoisile, and now it is the 13th 5-year plan. So titia kone start korisile the Planning Commission of India. Planning Commission of India mane basically eta agency hoy. It actually kune banaisile India Parliament khone banaisile through some discussions that India needs a planning commission for economic planning of the country. So after independence ami sobe janu na amar India ki hol planning commission eta laga hol economic planning koriboke, to hitu karone parliament discussion kori pelai itoe korile je ami ki korim, ami eta Planning Commission of India banam, and they made it, and in the year 1951 we got our first 5-year plan. And they proposed a lot of strategies, okay, for investment, for the for exploring the ways of mobilization of resources, evaluate and monitor the progress of various schemes and projects covered by the plan. So ultimately ki hoy amar investment strategy keniko hobo na country khone kot invest koribo lage kot koribo na lage hoy, aru resources bur ami keneke use korim jate amar ekdom effective use hoy, aru ki koribo lage evaluate and monitor the progress of various schemes. Are na scheme ekhon banale no hobo, sabo lagibo je scheme khon kiman effective hoise, because government invest a lot of money on the schemes. Jodi schemes ki khon bhalke jodi swa, for example amar government is kiman scheme banaise for the rural people. Itia jodi rural manuhinir karone banaise, taoloke jodi access e poa nai, then obviously the scheme is a failure, right? To hetu karone ki hoy 5-year mane amar 5-year plan bonwa jitu commission asile, the Planning Commission of India, tehadakole ki koisile je this commission proposed that we should also evaluate and monitor the effectiveness of these schemes. Ami sabo laibo je schemes bur keneke choli ase, hoy na nai manu bure hosage benefited hoise ene middleman bure ebur khai ase, hetu asile main mane motto to. So eta tumalokor I guess page number 42 that tumalokor 5-year plans of India mane list ekhon bonwa ase, but you just remember the first 5-year plan, because etue kiteba 1 mark or objective question ahi jay, because moi jibar exam disilu in the year 2018 education ahisile. So that time we had this question that when was the first 5-year plan started. It is 1951. Okay, so now let's talk about the Niti Aayog. Itia moi agote koisilu je amar ki ase amar central government or eta planning agency asile, aru planning agency to prothomote kon asile Planning Commission of India. But recently the Planning Commission of India has been replaced by the Niti Aayog. Niti Aayogor full form to ami porhim. Niti means National Institution for Transforming India. Okay, so this has replaced the Planning Commission of India in the year 2015 on January 1. So the first meet of Niti Aayog was held on February 7, 2015 in Delhi. The chairman of Niti Aayog is the Prime Minister of India. So amar ki hoy prothom meet khon hoisile on February 7, 2015 in Delhi. The first meeting of Niti Aayog was held, and the chairman is our Prime Minister. Aru baki jibur members thake taulok hol amar vice chairman, chief ministers of the respective states, lieutenant governors of union territories, 4 central ministers, chief executive officer, and the experts from different fields. So these are basically the members of Niti Aayog. Keteba hodhe actually Niti Aayogor question ahile basically 2 marksor karone ahe 2 mark like 2 marksor karone hudi de keteba je when was the Niti Aayog formed and who are the members, aru keteba hode je when was the Niti Aayog formed and who is the chairman of the Niti Aayog. So you just keep in mind, okay, this is a very short topic and very easy also. So planning in India is democratic planning. In democratic planning, the people participate in the different stages of plan making. The decisions are not imposed from the top. Democratic planning ensures decentralization of power. Democratic planning mane hol enekwa planning jot amar manupure participate kore. For example, you can say we have panchayats, right? Amar panchayats ase hoy panchayate kisuman decisions loy, hebur decisions amar block members bure pai, blockor pisot I guess districtot jay, then hoy mane ki etu ki ko hoy decentralization of power, mane power to division hoy. So amar India এখন ইমান ডাঙৰ কান্ট্ৰি, ইয়াৰে সব কথাৰ খবৰ সেন্ট্ৰেল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট ৰাখিব নোৱাৰে। সো তাৰ কাৰণে কি হয় কমিটিজ থাকে, ৰাইট? সাব লেভেল কমিটিজ থাকে যিবোৰে কথাবোৰ খবৰ লয়, তেওঁলোকে তেওঁলোকৰ অফিচাৰ্ছবোৰক কয়, তাৰে অফিচাৰ্ছবিলাকে তেওঁলোকৰ অফিচাৰ্ছক কয়, and then it reaches the government. So we have a structure and this structure is democratic in nature, okay? So at each level the plan schemes are discussed by the representatives of people. As the representatives of the people formulate and discuss schemes at the lowest level of administration, it is known as grassroots planning. So মই ক'লোৱে ন যে আমাৰ প্লেনিংবোৰ কি হয় আমাৰ ৰিপ্ৰেজেণ্টেটিভবোৰে কৰে, যেনে আমাৰ পঞ্চায়তত যিবোৰ মানুহ বহি আছে আমাৰ গাঁওখনৰ ডিচিশ্যনছ তেওঁলোকে ল'ব। ইন দ্য ছেইম ৱে তেওঁলোকে কি কৰে তেওঁলোকৰ অফিচাৰ্ছবোৰক এইখিনি জনায়, তেওঁলোকে তেওঁলোকৰ অফিচাৰ্ছক জনায়, এণ্ড ফাইনেলি দ্য গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট গেটছ টু ন' আৱাৰ প্ৰব্লেম। So this type of planning is called grassroots planning, jot ki hoy common people involved hoy. So we have a democratic planning in India. So that's all for today. In case you have any doubt, please do comment, okay? In case moi kiba bhul koisu ba moi kiba bhul hoise, please do let me know. And the next topic I will cover it soon. Moi iman daur videos kora nai because moi jano je iman daur videos when you see together মানে কনসেপ্টছবোৰ কি হয় বুজি পোৱা দিগদাৰ হৈ যায়, আৰু সেইটো কাৰণে মই সৰু সৰু ভিডিঅ'জ বনাইছোঁ। নেক্সট ভিডিঅ'টো লাইক আই উইল আপলোড আফটাৰ 1 week I guess, and then I will complete the chapter, okay? তো জাষ্ট আমাৰ 3টামান টপিক আছে, এইটো জলদি কমপ্লিট হৈ যাব। ইন কেছ ইউ ডিডন্ট আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড something, you please do comment, okay? And thank you for watching the video. Keep studying. Best of luck.